All the way back in 2015, the North Carolina General Assembly worked together with the Department of Health and Human Services and enacted new laws and regulations that transitioned Medicaid and North Carolina Health Choice from a fee-for-service model to one that's based on managed care. Or, in other words, the state and insurance companies will contract with one another at a rate that's based per enrolled person to provide for all services. Originally, this change was supposed to happen back in February 2020, but it's had a few delays and suspended in 2019 until July of this year. HHS decided to restart the program officially, and the new deadline is now July 1st for standard plans. For behavioral health, that'll be next year at the same time. As it stands, the following health plans will deliver Medicaid services: Amerihealth Caritas of North Carolina, Healthy Blue, United Healthcare of North Carolina, Wellcare of North Carolina, Carolina Complete Health, and the Eastern Band of Cherokee Indians Tribal Options. So what does all this mean to you in your practice? Hi everyone, I'm Dario from eTactics. Today I'm going to tell you how to navigate the Medicaid transition for North Carolina providers. Starting July 1, you'll no longer be able to process your Medicaid claims directly to Medicaid. You'll now need a clearinghouse solution that can process your claims to one of the 6 managed care organizations specified by Medicaid. eTactics exists to help your practice with this transformation. We've got over 20 years of experience and over 4,000 clients using our solutions and our clearinghouse services while maintaining a 98% clean claim rate. More importantly, we've got experience in transitioning providers from directly billing Medicaid to billing through managed care organizations. Here in Ohio in 2018, we helped hundreds of practices move to the managed care model. Today, eTactics processes over $500,000 in claims, totaling over $130 million in charges monthly to managed care organizations for Medicaid services. So, if you'd like to learn more about how eTactics can help your practice make the transformation to Medicaid managed care, call me directly at 234-214-5350 or email me at dmuzina@eTactics for a demo of our solution and to learn more about our pricing. You can also visit our website at www.etactics.com.